It's Saturday morning, August the 31st. It is 70-something degrees right now. So I'm trying to get ahead of the weather because it's going to be like 99 today. So I decided I'm going to take these rocks up, scrape them up, because it's not working for me as far as closing that gate. So as you'll see, what I'm trying to do is get this out the way so I can go ahead and put the pea gravel that I purchased from the stone yard down there instead, and try to beat this heat before it gets out of control. I took some of this stuff out. What I ended up doing, I took those scallops from out of here and filled it with rocks. Took them from over here, filled this with rocks. From here and all of this will be pea gravel. And then when the glue, marsh glue comes, I'll spray them and the rock shouldn't go anywhere. I thought about putting one more paver here, but that's okay because I would have to kind of shift that a little bit more. And frankly, I'm out of breath. I'm tired. It's hot as hell out here. But I think it could stand. Let me see. Barely. So I'm going to leave well enough alone. I have the cardboard down. I'm going to wet it. Then I'm going to put the pea gravel down. Mixed in with this. And this. And it should be okay. After I take a break. Once I get the multi-glue, this should keep it from shifting or moving. But now I'm just going to spread it out. I tell you, it's so many different colors going on out here. I purchased this pea gravel from the stone yard, not thinking it was a different color, because the ones that I bought from Home Depot was a brownish color, which kind of matched what's out there. But this has got more of a grayish tone. We talk about patchwork. I don't know. I don't know if I like this or not. And of course, you see I'm struggling because even though I have the pea gravel there, the edge of that gate is still rubbing. So I have one or two choices. Either I'll scrape some of this pea gravel up, use it somewhere else, get some dark color ones like from Home Depot so it can blend in with the other rocks, or dig down further in that area so the pea gravel will, you know, be low enough where that edge of that gate would clear. That's the only thing I could think of at this point. And once that's done, I didn't realize it. I was doing some research and I found out they have something called mulch glue. And it's to keep the mulch from blowing away in a stormy weather or whatever, when it's windy, or to glue pea gravel down. So I ordered some of that from Amazon, which I'm waiting on. Then I'm going to go outside and spray these stones so they won't be moving. But this right here, the coloration is bothering me because I have the gray stones, I have the red stones. They're all dusty and dirty, of course, which will eventually get pressure washed. But I don't know, I have to rethink this little area right here. It's giving me a headache. I can always use the pea gravel elsewhere. And just go get to Home Depot and get a couple of bags, or just have them deliver me a couple of bags of the brown pea gravel, because this right here it's not blending. Even though I have gray stones, I think I like the brown ones better. And then again, I don't know. After this mess, then I'm going to come in and work on an area near the patio where we took the orange tree out. So I need to fix that before the weather changes or before it starts to rain. As far as I know, we're not expecting any rain anytime soon, but just in case, I want to have that fixed before then. So either I can take some of this pea gravel up or just get some of the other one and mix it in with this to kind of tone down this color. Also, I found that you can actually spray paint these stones. So who knows, maybe one day I might try to do that and just do a spray paint and everything be all one color. I know my neighbor next door has rocks that's glued down. It looks like grass, but it's all spray painted green. That might be an idea. But yeah, my backyard is so messy. I'm going to have to wait until when the weather cools down to deal with that. And that's going to be a lot of work, especially when I'm doing it by myself. I have my other half. He, certain things he can do. But this is my project. He'll help me do some of the heavy lifting and stuff. But yeah, here it is. It's closed for now. Gosh. I wish I could pave it all the way. And the gate, I don't want to cut it because you can see the gate. It doesn't have that much left at the bottom for me to try to have to cut anything from it. So my only option is to step down by digging down further into the ground and stepping those stones down lower. And Lord knows I don't have the strength or the energy to deal with that. I don't know. I have to get the windows replaced in the front of the house in a couple of weeks. So maybe after that I'll get somebody from around at Home Depot or something to come and do this stuff for me. Okay, right here is where the bottom of the gate is rubbing. And it's pulling the stones. Almost. So my solution is to take this cardboard up, dig a deeper hole, put the cardboard down and put it in. That's the only solution. Clean all this mess up. I don't have an edging for here, so when I put the glue, that should hold those rocks right there so they won't move. Better yet, I'm thinking rather than the cardboard, use the fabric, landscape fabric instead. But for now, I'm leaving it like it is because I'm tired, it's hot, and I'm about to die out here, so see you later. I'm sitting here trying to take a load off. It is so hot out here. Look at me. I know my hair is wet. I'm gonna have to wash it again. Anyway, I did what I could. Can't wait to get in the shower. I did what I could over there for now. I'm waiting on the glue, which I ordered from Amazon. The mulch glue and pea gravel glue, which will keep the stones from moving around. My next project is this right here. Once I get that together, this right here, before it rains, get rid of these cardboard boxes, put them somewhere. And this is going to wait until when the weather is cooler. It's a big job, it's a big mess. And I gotta come up with some plan where I could do this myself and not spend a lot of money. These stones have got to go behind there. And look like unless I get some help from around the corner, I'm gonna have to do it by myself because he's not in any shape to do anything right now, health-wise. That wood, I need to move that from off my mulch or termites, put it in the middle. Maybe I should do that right now after I take a break. And Max on the other side is probably gonna have a fit, but I gotta do that. Once I clean this area up, I'm gonna do some kind of design to come out from the property this way and around. We'll figure it out. When I went over to the fence and tried to move the wood, I guess I must have startled Max because he hit that fence so hard it scared daylights out of me. I had to holler him, "Max, stop!" And of course he went and sat down and it was quiet after that. Then not another peep out of it. Maximus is a Rottweiler. I can only imagine what the other side of that fence looks like.